Microsurvey CAD includes a one-step import tool that allows you to import data from a Leica Multistation. It will import points, traverse data, line work, scans, and images, and it will include them in your drawing and attach them to the database. I've created a new drawing and configured my options. Let's go through an example of importing a multi-station scan. I'll go to Traverse. I'll go to Import Leica DBX. Now, the first time you run this routine, you want to go to the Advanced tab and you want to verify a few things. For one thing, if you've used a geoid or a grid shift file in the Leica controller, you have to make sure that you have a copy of those on your desktop computer and that you're pointing to the folder that contains them. You also want to set up your AutoMap system so that it uses the same field codes as you used in the Leica controller. Once that's set up, we can start an import. I will browse to the folder that contains my project. I'll see my project in this list. I can highlight it and pick Import. I get a report here. Now what's happening is the traverse is being converted into a format that can be stored with your microsurvey project. There's our traverse file. And in the drawing screen, we can see the points that were created, and we can also see the scan data. So this is all stored with the project. If an error was made while traversing to collect these scans and the scans were somehow misaligned, that's easy to correct in the traverse editor. You can make edits in your traverse, and when you're finished, you can go to Edit and you can either re-coordinate the traverse to simply redefine the points, or if you need to adjust the scans as well, you can adjust traverse scans. In addition, points have been imported. I can switch to my Points ribbon, open the Active Coordinate Editor, and here we'll see those same points that we saw in the drawing. They are loaded in the database. If there were images taken that were connected to these points, we'd be able to pick on an icon here and view them. When I hit the Save button, all related files are linked to each other, including the scan, so that when I reopen this CAD drawing, everything will be loaded up the way we see it now.